All right, reset. Just got this package in, and I can't tell you how excited I am for this. I just got one more thing I'm waiting on, and then I'm off. I'm off to the races. You'll see what I'm talking about soon enough. Here we go. You can see I already cut it open, but I haven't actually opened the box, like opened this box. So, all right. So there goes the push pad there. Sweet. All right. Connections. You see it. They say it's the best in the business. I don't know for sure. I've never used it before. But from what everyone says, it's a bad boy. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So I don't know how I did this, but I completely forgot that I ordered this color. Like in my, maybe because these are black. In my head, for some reason, I was expecting to see an all black flashlight. Maybe from the front of the, I don't know. I forgot I ordered that color. That looks sick. Gosh, that looks sick. Oh my God. Oh, that looks raw. I love that color. That's ill. Wow. And what else comes in here? Some more parts. Link onto the rifle. And screws and all that good stuff, right? Boom, we got the battery. Sweet. All right. And what is this? The rechargeable battery pack, I take it. I apologize. I'm doing all this with one hand here. Yes, indeed. Rechargeable battery charger. That's pretty cool. And it comes with that. And do I get a sticker? I like stickers. I actually love stickers, man. I love stickers. I just got a Timney sticker. I got a couple places where I put my gun stickers, but usually I put them on the safe. The big triple XL safe I got. What is it? Oh, the cord. And we got the cord here for the charger. And like instructions, maybe. Cloud defense instructions. Is that what that is? Yes, it is. Instructions. All right, so that's all it came with. Worldwide warranty service. All right. Okay. And what am I doing? Intercore. Keep innovating. Portable USB battery charger. That's what that information is. And let me just look at this again. This is just, yo. This is beautiful. And I got such a good deal on this, man. I got such a good deal on this. I don't know if you guys know, but on average, when you order this you know, like the full package to get the you know, the thumb pressure pad and, you know, all that good stuff, that I'm seeing on average about after taxes like 350. I've even seen it higher than that. I've seen it like 379 for the full package. You know, I've also seen, you know, seen it a little lower, or whatever, at oh, what was it? I've seen 299. Um, I've seen some prices. You know, it varies, but um, on average, it's about, for the full package, that is, not just the, because you can get like just the light, like you can get like just the light, you know, the charging deal, and this, like you can just get that, right? And if you just get that alone, oh man, how much did I pay? Oh my gosh, don't get me lying to you guys, I'll put it on the screen. But I got a good deal. I got a really good deal, and I'm happy about that, because I can't tell you how many times I put this light in a you know, in the what do you call it, the gift box or whatever, in the top right corner when you're gonna buy something, and I just leave it there. And I don't know why, but I would just look at it like that price. Like, there's got to be a way to get a better price. There's got to be a way. And because I would see on, like, when I would look at the YouTube videos, people were saying prices that I just was not seeing online. You know, I just wasn't seeing it. So anyhow, and they said this is fairly new, this light, the Rein specifically. I know the Owl is a little older, but I think this is now a year and a half old, maybe two at the most. So pretty cool. This is just the boxing, you know, unboxing of it. Cloud Defense, the Rein, in a beautiful color. Man, I love this color. That's awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and oh, you better believe it, once this gets on the rifle and I go out to shoot and work it, and not just that, actually tonight you're going to see that I'm going to make another video comparing this flashlight to like average flashlights, not even like a super duper, just an average flashlight, because it's really basically all I got, to show the difference between, you know, a $20 flashlight, a $40 flashlight, and a freaking $250 flashlight. We'll see what's up. God, that color is sexy. Whammy out.